Hi there, this is a quick video about the release of Hitfilm Pro version 8. Since Hitfilm Pro has a new licensing model, Effects Home is able to put out updates more than once a year. The update to version 7 had some game-changing new features, and although the update to version 8 is not that big, there are some really nice new features and bug fixes. So let me cycle you through them. Remember that this video is made before the general release to the public, so things in the actual release might be slightly different than in this video. The first new feature is the layout panel. To open the layout panel, go to the Workspaces tab and select it there. I don't really know what the layout panel does other than that there are some features for alignment, distribution, rotation, and mirror options. Next up is improved mask functionality. The freehand mask tool has been enhanced and the mask selection behavior has been improved. Another feature I might be most excited for in this update is the ability for planes to be transparent. Instead of using a black plane and adding the demult effect to it, you can now make planes transparent as seen here. The last key feature is a revised options panel. The old one was quite cluttered, and as seen here, tabs have been moved to the left instead of to the top. So these were the key features, but there are also 18 bug fixes, and I want to focus on 2 of them that are most important for my Hitfilm experience. The timeline does not scroll up and down anymore while zooming in, because if you have to zoom in, you use Ctrl Scroll, and in Hitfilm 7 it actually recognized it as a scroll as well, so you zoomed in, but if you zoomed in you of course scrolled up and the timeline also went up, and that has been fixed now. The last fix is something that I am really happy with, and that is that masks on text layers now update correctly. As seen in a few of my streams, when adding a mask to text layers in the past, the text would disappear, making you unable to see what you were working with, and this has now been fixed. So I hope this video has given you all the information you wanted to know about Hitfilm Pro version 8. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends and family to let them know about the update of Hitfilm, and I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.
Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.